सो हेलो गाइस, ये क्वेश्चन है ब्लैक बुक से क्वेश्चन है जहाँ पर रेंज निकालने के बोला है. तो लेट अस लुक इनटू द क्वेश्चन. इट लुक्स सो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बट इफ यू ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली हियर that this term, so by the property of log, this term must be greater than 0. This should always be greater than 0. Now and if you look carefully, and this thing is also getting subtracted from 2, that means the whole thing will must lie between 0 to 2. How? Let us look into this. Suppose the value of 16 sine square x 16 sine square x plus 1 is equal to 2. That means sine x would be somewhere between 1 and 1 by 16 should be plus minus 1 by 4 for such values. So we are just taking an example. For that case, this thing will hold a value of 0, but the function is this value will exceed 2. So considering the domain, we are not going to that values in which and this would exceed 2. That if this thing exceeds 2, then this value would be less than 0, because something 2 minus something which is greater than 2, that will give us negative value. So you have understand that this value means this thing, this stuff will be always vary from 0 to 2. Now log 2 of something which varies from 0 to 2 will have its value from, this whole thing will hold a value from minus infinity to 1, because 2 to the power minus infinity is 0 and 2 to the power 1 is 2. That's why we can say the range of the function is minus infinity to 1, and that is the answer. Thank you.